Hi guys, Medix here, and today we're back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free. So basically you will need to go to this link, which will be on the description, the first link, and it will pop up an ad from AdFly. Of course, you'll click Danny here. Wait 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and skip ad. And here it says, oops, there was a problem with the preview. You click download. I'm not going to click it since I already have it. It's going to take some minutes. Then you'll go to Windows Explorer, go to downloads, and this should pop up, Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. You'll right click on it, fourth after open, the fourth option, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, or the fifth from the top, but I'm not counting open, so let's count it from open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll go extract to Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018 / you're going to click on that. No, thank you. We're going to click on that. I'm not going to click, and here this should pop up here, and then you'll click on it, scroll down, and here you can find Adobe Premiere Pro application. You can click on it, and you're gonna see it will pop up Adobe Creative Cloud Premiere Pro CC loading, blah 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 blah. Now you can go ahead and close this tab. Okay, let's not close it for now. Here you're gonna go new project, and now you're gonna write blah blah. You don't need to write blah blah. Now we're gonna wait, and here guys, you have Adobe Premiere Pro 2018 version for free. No money, no fake websites, all free. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, if it didn't work, or you have any question to ask me for other videos, you can text me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those stuff that are in the description. And guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.